subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
The Oppo A3 leaked in some detail, including a MediaTek Helio P60 chipset. This has now been confirmed thanks to the TENAA and Geekbench results. The phone is said to have a mid-range price of 2000 Chinese yuan or $320 or 260 euros. According to the TENAA listing, the phone comes with 6.2-inch LCD display with 18:9 aspect ratio and 2160 by 1080 pixel resolution. The device packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM with 64 or 128 GB of storage that can be further expandable via micro SD slot. There is a single camera on the back with 16 megapixel resolution and single 8 megapixel selfie camera. No fingerprint reader is to be found on the back and strangely not on the front either. So we think that the selfie camera will offer the face unlock instead. It has a battery capacity of 3300 mAh. The Oppo A3 measures 7.8 mm thickness and weighs around 159 grams. So what do you guys think of the Oppo A3? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.